Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to enter referral code to Cash App. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers, I will show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy. So let's jump into it. First of all, you want to open the Cash App. And when you open the Cash App, you will see when you go to the settings, these lists of settings: personal, support, privacy, security, notifications, documents. And right in the bottom, right above the sign out button, there is the enter referral code. So if you have a referral code which offers you discounts or coupon codes or even cash on the Cash App, you can enter the referral code here. You will type your referral code here and tap on the next. But as you can see, this is not a legit referral code, so it won't accept it. But if you have a legit one, you can type it here. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.